How to add someone as a trusted connection in Roblox. Roblox now lets you add trusted connections for safer chat, voice, and collaboration. And here's how to set it up step by step. So first, make sure both accounts are age verified. Trusted connections only work for verified users, and parental approval is needed if you're under 13. So go ahead and open up your friend's profile. And then from here, you'll find this three dots at the right side of chat. And then in here, you should find the option to set this specific user as your trusted connection. So confirm the request and wait for them to accept. On mobile, open add friends QR code and then scan your friend's QR code, and once scanned, confirm the trusted connection request. You can also import phone contacts. Go to add friends, select contacts, sync your list, and send trusted connection requests to verified friends. Trusted connections unlock voice chat, less restricted messaging, and team create collaboration in Roblox Studio. It's designed for safer communication with people you trust. You can remove a trusted connection anytime. Go to settings, select the friend, and downgrade them back to a regular friend. And that is how to add someone as a trusted connection in Roblox.